to ATC Tech Team orientation. So before getting into the details of Tech Team, I want to explain the main objectives of this club, ATC Club. So we have listed out main 6 objectives, and we have named it as extra core objectives. Here are our objectives. First of all, collaborative tech culture. We want to develop a collaborative tech culture among students in our college. We also want students to explore emerging technologies. The third one is peer-to-peer upskilling and mentorship. We are lacking this very often in our colleges among workshops and everything. And fourth one is innovation through real-world problem solving. Fifth one is hands-on boot camp and learning programs, and the final one is connecting students to external opportunities. When I'm reading these objectives out, you may think these are routine objectives. These are most common among all clubs. Yeah, I can understand that, but we are lacking this in our college. Mainly collaborativeness between different clubs, sorry, different departments, and also innovation in our projects, in our daily activities. They also are lacking opportunities to many things like competitions, internships, projects, and many more. So we have listed these objectives so that we can meet them through this club, and so that students can enjoy these results. Am I clear? Is everyone able to listen to my voice? Okay. So these are the objectives that we want to achieve through this club. So so already we have inaugurated this club on April 4th. So at that time we have formed 3 teams for this club: media and advertising team, event organizing team, and administrative team. These are the main 3 teams to handle social media, to handle logistics, and to also to track and to document everything. So apart from these 3 teams, the team that we have formed recently is Tech Team, as we all know. So now I will explain more details about Tech Team. So for this Tech Team, we have selected some domains to work on. I have selected this domain basis on the submissions that I got from Google Form, and also from the interest I have had from students, mainly web development, data science, DS algorithms, entrepreneurship, design thinking. This may sound as normal subjects that we had in our course, but these are I want this to be more interesting and to more creative compared to our classwork subjects. To make it more interesting, we have to work on it through projects, through real time implementation, and everything, right? So as you can see, I have included 3 different domains here: DSA and algorithms, entrepreneurship skills, design thinking. These 3 will take us more forward compared to other students and other clubs. This will give us a more edge and also a bit more advantage over others. Mainly design thinking. It makes us think in a right way to validate our idea, um, to make our ideas more innovative, more better, and to make it more efficiently in real time, right? I will be explaining each domain in detail in an upcoming meeting. For now, we have selected these 7 domains to work on. So, uh, so, so we have selected some students for each domain on basis of screening, and also on the basis of submissions that we got from Google Form. Here are the selected students. I mean, these are selected for leadership roles, mainly to lead students, to help our juniors, to mentor them. So these guys will be leading the domains, and other who haven't got selected. It doesn't mean that you are not a part of this team. You can be a part of this team. You can also be a part of a specific domain. uh, so in upcoming days, if you're progressing very well, then you can be a leader too. We have nothing like superior or anything else. Everyone is same, but we have selected some guys to lead, to mentor, and also to monitor others, so that we can have some clarity and some order, right? Is everyone okay with the with this thing? Hello. Okay, so if your name is here, then congratulations. Be honest with your work. Try to help everyone who has doubt or who needs some suggestions or anything else in specific domains, right? So as we finalize the domains, so now we'll talk about projects and possibilities in our college through this club. So basically, I will share my experience. So so in my second year, once father has asked me to design application. I mean, not to develop, but to share my views on it, and also to share my um, what can I say, like what can I include that in the application and everything. So afterwards, father has also asked me to develop it, but I am not skilled enough to develop that project. So later, some other senior has developed the project, right? Uh, Hello, uh, am I audible? Okay, I don't want to make this meeting a boring meet, like every other meeting. I want others to interact with me too. We can keep this meeting formal and also casual too. Um, if anyone is having any doubt, if anyone is having any doubt, you can stop me in between. I will clarify that. Okay. So 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 to build projects to this club, we can get ideas from our teachers, from our departments, and also from our father too. They may be having some needs. So for that problem or for that need, they may be expecting some solutions. For that solution, we can also develop through software such as some other hardwares too, right? There is a possibility that we can develop for our college. There are also chances. I have heard some chances from our Ramkrishna sir and also from Prabhakar sir. Um, okay.
Puneet.
Hello.
Hello, Puneet.
Yeah.
Pranay. Hello.
Yeah. Hi.
Is everyone here from team leaders list?
Yeah. Like some are busy with like they're in church, so we are recording this meet so that I can watch it later.
Okay.
Uh, yeah.
Uh, After completing all of your points, I'll take. Okay, I'll talk.
Yeah. So don't worry about the ideas and the projects. You guys are not alone here. So here we have some like-minded people to form a team and also to work on ideas. Earlier, even I was alone. Even like I can't take up any idea to work on it as I'm alone. But now it's a different case. We are here as a team. We are not alone anymore. We can work on it, and we can also make it. We can also deploy it. And our targets, mainly through this club, we want to form teams, student teams, who can work on ideas, and we want to present these ideas in college level events, and also till top tier events like hackathons and also tech challenges, boot camps, and everything. In these the teams formed in this club will be working under us. We'll be monitoring them. We'll be helping them and everything. So we'll also share some resources like upcoming events, competitions, and also many things uh, to participate and also to win, right? So our opportunities. So the reason I have mentioned these organizations is that these are fair, and also many students can take advantage in these organizations like institution innovation council and also innovation cell. These are bodies and AICT, and also we're having a council in our college. It is not famous enough, that's why no one knows about it, but we want to restart it again. So through this institution innovation council, we can work on ideas, and also we can get support from AICT financially, or and also we can also validate our idea through a panel of professors who are working in the same domain as we are working on, right? And also Vadmani Foundation. It is a private foundation, but it is very beneficial for students who are interested in entrepreneurship, and also who want to implement projects in real time. I mean, not for college sake, but like a startup or some business. They will help the students. It's more like an NGO. Mm, I mean, they will be providing resources, mentors, and everything. They'll also be helping us to get financial support and everything. And one more opportunity we have is that Yukti Innovation Repository. So I will explain Yukti through a website, through their official website. Hello, can you all see my screen? I need some response. Can you all see my screen?
Yeah, we can see.
So the good thing about Yukti is that the AICT has planned a system to monitor idea of each student, so that the ideas cannot be wasted. Ideas cannot go unnoticed, right? So in Yukti, you can submit your idea through our college institution innovation council. So you can see that IIC institutions, as I said, institution council, right? So through this Yukti, you can get support from some of the best mentors in India. Even I have submitted an idea. I have went through a mentorship round and also a pitching round in this Yukti. Here you can see Yukti Innovation Challenge. Uh, so once we get formed clearly, and we can form some good teams, then we will try to submit our ideas here, so that we can get some opportunity to showcase it in national level, and also if possible some financial support to make it project real, and also to get patents. I think you got some clear a small idea, some idea about Yukti, right? Like how Yukti can be useful for us, and how we can get benefit from Yukti, right? Hello. Okay. So I think I have covered most of the details. Mainly the reason why I covered project and possibilities and our targets, opportunities is that how each member can get benefit from this club. Basically, after BTech, we have to get a job, or else if anyone is having any interest in business, they have to start some business or any startup, anything else. So we have to get serious in our BTech, and also we have to be alert, like we should be very productive, and also we should get benefit from this club. Then only it can be useful for you all. That's why I have mentioned projects, targets, and opportunities, so that we can benefit from these things. So I have a task for all tech members. I already mentioned this in a screening round. So I want you all to plan an event that fits our campus. So the reason is that we cannot conduct already going on events like hackathons or boot camps or seminars, because we are lacking resources, permissions, and also many things. So I want you all to propose a fresh event idea that fit our college, our that fit our scope, resources available at our ALIET, right? So So to explain this clearly, I have already designed an event. Like I with my team, I have designed this event called DCube. This is DCube stands for Discover, Decode, Dominate. So basically, our college is already conducting seminars, but most of the seminars are boring, and also most of the seminars are not useful for us. I mean I mean. Basically, the audience are not interested, and also the topics in seminars are not useful for us currently. They are picking topics which are outdated or which are not useful, at least for now. There are many flaws in seminars conducted by our college. So we have revised the framework for conducting seminars. We have renamed it with the DQ. So in this DQ, we will be conducting seminars, but not like seminars our college conduct. We have created a framework for that. So we'll be selecting topics which are useful for students. I mean which are need right now, which can benefit them right now. I mean, emerging topics which should be known as fast as we can. So we'll be listing topics like that, and we will also be calling some senior people in that respective topic. Uh, that can be any professor or any person leading in tech companies or anyone. We are not restricted to just college professors. We can call anyone who is at our reach, right? So basically, in the USP, USP is that the unique point about this DCube is that in this 1 hours program, we will make students discover new things. We'll make them decode the difficult things in that respective topic. We also be having some task, so that the students can get a good grip, and can also they can dominate the topics, right? And also one more there is not an event, but this is more like a mm, we cannot call it an event, but it's more like a virtual thing. So we're also planning to start a tech newsletter. We'll be sharing these tech newsletters through Gmails. So these newsletters will be containing the most valuable information related to our domains, to our club, and also recent emerging news in tech, and also in entrepreneurship. Right, we will be covering everything, and we will also be sharing these newsletters through Gmail weekly. So how we will work in this club? So basically, we have assigned some leads for each domain, just to coordinate and monitor. So we'll be so like if we need any update, if we are planning anything, we will just reach out to leads so that we can be productive. And also we'll be having weekly or bi-weekly sync-ups. We will be having as less meets as we can because we have to be productive. And also I want the leaders to start documentation feedback loop. I will be informing them whenever needed, so that we can make reports and we can analyze our progress, right? This is not a team. We want to create a system which can work effectively. And thank you. Your journey begins here.